Character is what you have left over after you persevere, and I believe that trade school is a much better deal than college. I have a fancy degree in corporate finance and investment management from the University of Alabama, and I think my dad paid $3,000 a year for tuition, which is a really good deal compared to today. And really, the only thing that I think I got out of college, which was really lasting, was I built some character because I persevered through the process. So college is really just an opportunity to build character. That's what it does. Now, trade school is a better deal. So go to trade school because you're going to build some character, take all those classes, and don't waste all that money on universities these days. It's way too expensive for what you get. Subscribe to my channel, hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.